Hey, what's up, guys? It's Navarro, Penny Stocks Club 13. It's July 20th, 2020, and it's a Monday, guys. And what a great way to start the week. Swing trades from Friday paid big, and we have some trades that paid big today. I'm going to go over all of those. All of these trades were posted on Friday on the new watch list on the PSC 13 website, guys. It's only exclusive to the members. And today was just an awesome day. Accounts look healthy and growing, and that's all that matters. That's what we're looking for. So let me get to the one of the big movers of the day, TNXP, guys. We've been holding this one. We started trading this one on Thursday of last week. We wanted it to come over and break the 0.70 level, so we took an entry here for a swing trade. We sold some here before market closed. I held some. I sold the rest of my position here pre-market at 105 and then 125. The final take profits, and I locked in a huge move. It kept on moving, and it's okay. It was strong all day, as you can see, with increasing volume. I started seeing upper wicks in the morning, so I said, you know what, it's time to jump out. I got plenty of money already, and that's it. I was out. I started focusing on other trades, and I forgot to set alerts for an afternoon setup on this one. But again, I'm happy with it. If I look back at this and the next time I trade a stock that makes this big move and I start getting greedy, it's a big way to give back a lot of profits and start making bad decisions. So right now I'm happy with my trade and no greed at all. So very good move. TNXP, guys, on a swing trade, a couple of days to that we held it and it paid big. TNXP. The other one, IBIO, guys, another call out from the afternoon setup on IBIO for the break of four. We held it. I took profits pre market at five, just held about 25% of my position, and my final take profits at 550, guys. I just followed my plan. I stick to the rules, and my final take profit was at 550. That's what happened. It continued pushing higher. Again, we caught the big move anyways. There was still room to go, but again, I'm not greedy. I'm unlocking profits. I just want my account to grow. And IBIO, another great swing trade from last Friday, guys. Again, it was another a part of the watch list from PSC 13, guys. Another one on the list, another call up from Friday, COCP for the break of two. Take profit at 220, guys. Another one that worked for us today. People started entering the trade on Friday at 195, between 195 and 2, and today hopefully they took profits at market close at 220, and it's actually looking good in an afternoon setup for a swing trade. But again, we don't want to be greedy. We want to take profits. The volume wasn't significant as well, so you took profits. That's good. So COCP, another one from the watch list. Another one from the watch list, XBIO. This one made a big move. I was not in it from Friday. I tried to day trade it today, and to be honest with you, it got me. I put a very tight stop loss, and I was down like 3%, which is not no event, a non-event, because I had locked in a lot of profits from all the other trades. So I was still good for the XBIO. And another one that was a failed day trade for me, at least, it stopped me out too. We were trying to trade this one last week for the break of two. Today came and tested it. I placed an order at 197. I got filled. It made a move. I wanted to get all the way to 220. Started coming back down, and it stopped me out at 195, which was another tight stop loss. It was trading kind of shady, a little heavy. So I said, you know what? I'm just gonna take my small loss and just move on. And then I get out, and it starts moving up. And let me show you the 1 day 3 minute. So I took an entry here. It broke above the two level, came back down, and it shook me out right here. And then it went without me. I could have taken profits somewhere here, but again, can't win them all, and that's just the way it goes. TRVN, guys. Now let's get to today's call outs. First call out today was again from the watch list on PSC 13 website, guys. OGEN. This one was a big mover today, and let me show you the daily. So this one is my favorite kind of pattern. Like everybody knows, you got the push, and then that little curling action. We took an entry on Friday. It stopped us out, and I put it up again on the watch list on Friday, and the entry was at 120, guys. Some members, they took a better entry than me. Again, I like to trade with confirmation, so that's just me. Some people took an entry here at 117. They sold at 133. So those that have unlimited day trades, they took their profits here, and then it made this little touch and go. So I told them that's a very, you know, strong sign that this particular stock has strength. Not only did it do it once, it did it again at VWAP over here. Once it broke above VWAP, came back, and look at that touch and go again, guys. And then I told them, I think it already made two touch and goes, and I think it's going to continue going. So I was holding strong. I put it in a good position, and I took some profits off at 160, and I'm still holding the majority of my or half of my position size for a continuation. And as you can see, it's still moving higher because it had just a lot of strength. So I'm hopefully if it gives me the opportunity tomorrow, locking in profits as soon as I have them and as soon as I'm able to trade from my platforms. So OGEN, guys, this was a trade of the day, and one of the new members that actually signed up, I believe yesterday, took advantage of this and they locked in some profits. OGEN. Next call out, guys, NBY. NBY, I put it up on the watch list as well on PSE 13 for the break over $1.50. And some people got in at 150 and they took profits at the end of the day. I'm still holding this one. I think this one is a good candidate for the kind of patterns that I like. I like the push and then that curling action to come test the 52-week high, guys. So MBY, I'm holding on a swing trade. And that was again from the watch list. Another one from the watch list, CHFS. We're busy today, guys. There was a lot of action. So this one again, guys, the push. Actually, well, let me explain a little bit about this one. Going back to when we first started trading this one, it had this ascending wedge pattern, this ascending triangle. It broke out of it. It came back down. It bounced there, came back down, and it bounced there again. So it's already out of this triangle pattern, and the top of the triangle pattern has become support. So that's the reason that I put an entry here before the break of 65. I took an entry at 0.64. Members started taking an entry there as well. So we're looking for a push and a break over this pattern's high of 72, 73, and for a continuation and a push, see how far it can go. So CHFS, guys, we're looking into this one for a possible maybe 1 or 2 day hold, taking profits along the way so that we can be able to ride the entire move if it works. CHFS. There was another call out, and this one again. This one was part of the teamwork from the group. This was also posted on the watch list on the PC 13 website, and I was focused on every other trade, and I lost track of everything. So DFFN was called out by one of the members that it was breaking out, and we had already our plan on the from the watch list. Everything's detailed there: the entry, the exit, the stop loss, and the profit targets. So the DFFN, one of the new members, again, they traded it also. So the 1 day 3 minute, guys, it started breaking out. I get the alert. It was right here at 140, and I told them, you know what? I came back and I saw the 135 being previous resistance. So I said, let's wait for the pullback to 135. And then as soon as the first candle starts making a higher move, we'll go in. And so right here at 136, we positioned ourselves at 136. Some members took profits here at 150, 148, 147. And I'm still holding. As you can see, it's breaking over the 150 level, that half dollar that I talk about. and it's pushing higher, guys. I'm holding a good position on it. So hopefully tomorrow again, it gives me a good return and the opportunity to lock in profits. DFFN, guys, another one from the watch list, exclusive to PSE 13 website members. And one that was not on the list that I called out, and I'm not too happy about it, but we'll see what happens. I like the daily pattern. Um, I see this little wedge pattern. It started making a move. It had some news today, and let me show you the daily so that you can see what I'm talking about. 1 day, 1 year, 1 year, 1 day. So we've got a previous resistance around the 80 cent level. It came down, started curling back up. It started gaining momentum. You can see how it bounced there at the 70 cent level. And now we're looking for it to break over 80 for a higher pattern. As you can see, it's got room all the way to the one. That's the previous resistance. And then after one, I mean, it can just squeeze. So this one, if it works tomorrow, I mean, I'm still holding it. I took a trade on my small account, which I had no day trades left, and I'm only holding a starting position. When I'm not too sure about whether a stock has got the strength or not, I just take a starting position, and if at the end of the day it starts showing strength, then I start adding. But now, if it fails tomorrow, I only have a starting position, so my loss is gonna be minimized. It won't hurt my account that much. So right now, it's kind of trickling back up. It's trading a little bit over VWAP. So we'll see how it opens up tomorrow. Again, for the breakup, 80 cents, JAG-X. And it was not part of the watch list. This was just something that triggered alerts, and I called it out. And right now, again, I'm holding for a swing trade. Guys, that's all I have for you. I'm going to post a new watch list for the group later on today. There's other stocks that are moving. People from the WhatsApp chat, they locked in profits as well in the morning, and there was a couple of call-ups that I did not post on the PSC 13 website because we had already plenty of stocks. You know, I have a max amount of stocks that I hold in all my accounts. I don't. If you're new to this, you probably just want to hold two, maybe three at the most for swing trades or at any point in time, because then it'll become a little bit harder for you to keep track of all of them. So that's why I only posted the other ones on the WhatsApp chat, but I will be posting them on the watch list or the PSE 13 for people who day trade on the website so that they can have an idea of entries and exits and stop losses and all that good stuff, guys. So it was fun today. All the accounts are up, healthy, and everybody was doing well, both on the PSC 13 website and the WhatsApp chat. So hopefully it continues, guys. We've been doing very well the past this whole month and the entire year for that matter. So hopefully we get to continue growing the accounts and just see how far that we can take them, guys. Again, if you have any questions, post them down in the comments below. If there's anything that I can help you with, guys, don't hesitate to ask. Just keep it respectful, friendly, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.